Soul Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California. Welcome to the Thunderdome! It's like Thunderdome, but with fun instead. So it's like 2 people enter, then 2 people leave, high-fiving and sharing an ice cream sandwich probably. Hope everyone's doing really well. Hi pals. You may be asking, hey fella, the heck is a pal? Well, I'll tell you right now, go down below, smash the subscribe button, and you'll become a pal of the channel. I am your host, the beast from the east with the least. I've never called myself that, and I don't think anyone ever should call me that. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram here, or you can visit my website, ransomnotesneakers.com. Updates every Friday, and there's a lot of stuff there now. Sneakers, streetwear, a whole bunch of stuff. You can click on the eye. It's like an eye with a circle or in a circle or something. What do we have today for me to show you on this dumb channel? It's a Soul Supremacy beater box. Soul Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a membership-only program where you can purchase these beater boxes, which are basically mystery boxes filled with shoes of various sizes and conditions that you can flip for profit because they price them under market. This box in particular costs $600 plus $40 shipping for a grand total of $640. I also learned something. You can check and make sure how much it costs by taking the label off. Be sure to stick around until the end where I break it down to show you how much I paid versus how much it's worth. But first, obviously, we have to open the box because I'm not capable of X-ray vision. All right, we're open here. Looks like there's 2 pairs of shoes without boxes. Let's pull one of them out. This is a size 10.5 of the 2018 retro of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, as you can tell from the back. This is probably one of my favorite releases of this year. I wear mine constantly. Really good pair, no box, a little bit worn, probably about an 8 out of 10 condition. Just needs to be really cleaned up. So size 10.5, Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Cement. If you're interested in any of these shoes, that one or any of these shoes, you can go down below into the contact information. Hit me up and say, yo dude, I want to buy this, and I'll be like, all right, here's how much it costs and you can buy it. Next up is a size 8.5, Air Jordan 8 Orange Blaze, I think is what these are called. Pretty beat up, probably about a 6 or a 7 out of 10. These will go really, really cheap. Plus it's an 8. 8s are really just, I don't know, I don't like this whole bathroom rug tongue thing they have going on here. So size 8.5, Air Jordan 8, Orange Blaze, 2007, so it's kind of old. Let's get into the shoes with boxes. This here, is a box that fell out of my hands. Air LeBron 3. It's a lightly worn pair of Air LeBron 3 grade school size. It's in pretty good shape, probably about 8 out of 10. I'm not really a huge fan of the LeBron 3s. I mean, I have the South Beaches right here. It's an older pair, so it might be a little bit tough to sell. But, you know, whatever. Maybe I can put them up on eBay and get something for someone for back to school. Size 6 youth Air LeBron 3. After that, we have a size 10.5 Air Jordan 13 Retro Low. Red 13 lows. These are in really, really good shape. You can see barely any toe box creasing there. A little bit of wear on the bottom, not too much. Jumpman is definitely still in there. Yeah, so these aren't very old. Really, really well taken care of. Original box in good shape. Size 10.5. This is a nice pair. Got 4 more in here. Air Griffey Max 1. I don't know the name of this colorway, but these are, yeah, these are dead stock too. Nice pair, different than the OG or the teal all black one. Maybe it might be like a breast cancer thing because it's got pink stitching on it or something like that. Really cool pair, size 10, dead stock condition, original box, not too bad. Cool. Let's see, after that we have a size 10.5 Air Jordan 3 Retro. It's a pair of true blue 3s. That's really tough to say. Really lightly worn, not much star loss as you can tell. Really good shape. These are a solid 9 out of 10. See, Jumpman is still fully intact in there. No cracking. Yeah, these are really nice pair. Really good size too. 10.5 true blue 3s. Two more. This is a size 12 Air Jordan 3 Retro. A lot of threes in this box. All right, this is a pair of the Katrina 3s or Hall of Fame 3s, whatever you want to call them. These are dead stock too. Size 12 dead stock. These came out a couple months ago. Leather on here is really nice too. This is a really important shoe to the Gulf region, especially after Hurricane Katrina. Really simple, just Jordan 3 colorway, nothing to complain about. Dead stock pair, size 12, Katrina 3s, Hall of Fame 3s, whatever you call them. And we have one more in here. Size 9 Air Jordan 5 Retro Bel Air. Woo! Okay, well this is a replacement box. I'm really not happy about this. I thought I was getting a pair of Bel Air 5s. This is a size 8.5, not even 2016 French Blue 12, which isn't a bad shoe, but when you have a box that's a Bel Air 5, that's really a bummer. Not that this is a bad pair. I have a really nice pair of the 2004 release of these on the site, but not too much wear, just kind of dirty. Ugh, that's a bummer. I thought I was gonna have a killer money shoe. And that's your box, 600 bucks. Pretty good? Maybe? I don't know. But let's go ahead and give it a grade in the SB Mitch report card. Alright, we're gonna give this box a grade in the report card, and we do that through 3 categories. They are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. Category 3, hype/value, because a shoe with no hype has no value. Economics. Let's do condition first. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes in this $600 Soul Supremacy beater box. 2 of them are dead stock. Some of them are pretty worn. Condition, I'm gonna give this box about a C-. Sizes. So we have a 10.5, 8.5, 6 youth, 10.5, 8.5, 10.5, 10, and 12. So sizes for this box, we'll give it about a B. Hype/value. Not a lot of hype in this box, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, 3s are cool, so hype/value on this box, I'm gonna give it about a C+. So with a grade of C- for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of C+ for hype/value, I'm gonna go ahead and give this $600 Soul Supremacy beater box a grade of C in the SB Mitch report card. So I gave this box a grade of C, but is it gonna make me any money? Let's find out right now in the breakdown. There it is, clear as day. That's just, you know, pure cost versus value. This box might not be that great, but I could be wrong. Let me know down below what you think. Some of these shoes, along with a whole bunch of other stuff, are going to be available on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, which updates every Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, right now, go to my eBay page. I have a run of what I call Brick 66. It's a bunch of shoes listed at $6.66 plus shipping. Weirdly enough, currently I am in Toronto, Ontario for an event called Just Kickin' It, which happens tomorrow between noon and 6, right outside of OCAD University at Butterfield Park. If you're in the Toronto area, come down. It's free. Say hello, hang out, see some cool stuff. That's about all I got for you. So I will see you next week, probably with like some kind of vlog since I'm going to this thing in Toronto. But yeah, till then, take care of each other, and remember, they are just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy, and that's how you should live, in my opinion. Bye!